request. Someone asked me to show them pretty much my exhaust, so I'm going to show them a quick preview back here. I run an F23 turbo kit, 3-inch eBay downpipe. It's hard to see. I use the Raceland, pretty much same stuff. Nothing special about it. I'm running 17 pounds of boost on the F23 turbo kit on 380cc injectors using a GIAC H3. So I'm going to give you guys a sound test what the car sounds like with a 3-inch full exhaust. It's a crush bend exhaust using a MagnaFlow straight through muffler. I'll give you guys a little preview here. There it is. All 3-inch with the 4-inch tip. Give you guys a little sound preview. There you go, guys. Sound clip. My exhaust system.